Hello students, we are studying regarding phenol about preparations, properties like a physical property, chemical property. So in chemical properties, few reactions over, they are acetylation or acylation, benzoylation, then reduction using zinc dust and oxidation. 4 reactions I explained, and acidity of phenol. So why phenol is said to be acidic, not an acid, there is all points covered. Next bit in the topic is electrophilic substitution reactions. Electrophilic substitution reactions. And even this one, electrophilic substitution reaction of benzene or aromatic hydrocarbons, you studied in PUC first year hydrocarbon topic. And even mechanisms same as in PUC 1 syllabus. There is a phenol also that undergo electrophilic substitution reaction, and mechanisms are similar. Now in case of phenol, this is phenol. Yes, hydroxyl group, OH group in phenol is said to be activating group. Activating group. OH group in phenol is said to be activating group. See why it is called activating group? Because due to resonance, this group, there is OH group of phenol. Yes, electron pair on O delocalized with pi electrons of benzene ring, and hence electron density on benzene ring increases. Next, if electron density increases on the benzene ring, then electrophile E plus can attack on the ring easily. If electron density increases, electrophile can easily attack on the ring. Therefore, phenol can undergo, or any hydrocarbon compound which contain activating group, just like methyl group, OH group, then NH2 group, they are called activating groups. And they increase the electron density on benzene ring, hence electrophile they can easily attack on the ring. And see where electron density is more, whether ortho, meta, para, but that can be decided on the basis of resonance. Based on the resonance we can write. Yes, due to resonance, ortho position carry negative charge. Similarly, we can show delocalization with pi electrons. Then negative charge at para position. This is ortho, second is para. This one para. Next, third possibility. Resonating structures we are writing. Here double bond, here negative charge, O. Yes, from these resonating structures, now we can conclude electron density at ortho and para. Ortho, para. So, OH group in phenol is called ortho-para director. It is said to be ortho-para director, means incoming group or electrophile, it can attack at ortho and para, but not at meta. You may get meta product, but very less yield, means maybe 1%, 0.5%, 2%, but a higher yield para position. Higher yield is para position, and intermediate here. There is a first para substituted compound, and second ortho, and minimum quantity meta. Because of what? Resonance. Due to resonance, Yes, OH group in phenol is said to be ortho-para director and ring activator. It is said to be ring activator. If activating groups present on the benzene ring, its reactivity is more. Reactivity is more. Therefore, phenol on nitration give nitrophenol. Benzene on nitration give nitrobenzene. But which one undergo what in highest rate or higher rate? So answer is phenol, because it increases electron density on benzene ring. But in case of benzene, only benzene, there is no activating group. Therefore benzene is said to be less reactive than phenol towards electrophilic substitution reactions. If electron withdrawing group present, it is a donating group. Electron withdrawing groups, example, C double bond OH. This is EWG, electron withdrawing group. Then see here, pi bond shift towards O, then pi bond of benzene ring move towards CHO. Therefore, this carry positive, this carry negative. When pi bond shift here, this become positive. Means ortho position, para position carry positive charge, and electrophile cannot attack, yet ortho para. Therefore, they are said to be meta directors. At meta position, relatively negative charge is more. Hence, they can attack at meta position, not at ortho, because meta carry positive, negative charge. See here. Electron withdrawing group on the ring is said to be ring deactivator and is meta director due to resonance. Similarly, here in case of phenol, hydroxyl group in phenol is said to be activating group and is called ortho-para director due to resonance. It is said to be ortho-para director. Okay. Now we will study some reaction that is called nitration, sulfonation, halogenation and Friedel-Crafts reaction, and these four reactions are said to be electrophilic substitution reaction. And in mechanism I will tell you why it is called electrophilic substitution. Correct? Electrophilic substitution. Now first we discuss nitration of phenol. Nitration of phenol. Under this, first with dilute nitric acid, with dilute HNO3, dilute nitric acid. See why phenol can undergo nitration with dilute HNO3? Why not a toluene, benzene, benzoic acid, etc.? Because now only I told phenol reactivity very high, and OH group in phenol is said to be activating group. Therefore, even at lower temperature also reaction occur. But this is not possible with respect to what compounds such as benzene, toluene, benzoic acid, benzaldehyde, etc. Okay. Now dilute HNO3, it can produce NO2 plus, electrophile NO2 plus. NO2 plus is said to be electrophile in nitration. Then HNO3, nitric acid, it can form nitronium ion. Nitronium ion is the electrophile in case of nitration. See how it can attack on the benzene ring. HNO3 and H2SO4. Usually in nitration we use HNO3, H2SO4 and both are concentrated. This is general. But in case of phenol we are using dilute HNO3, that is different, but this is general. But step 1 in the mechanism, generation of electrophile. Means we'll recall there is PUC1 mechanism and what is nitration and how it occurs. Same method you will follow for nitration of phenol. So first generation of electrophile NO2 plus and S2 plus bisulfate. H plus OH minus H2O and NO2 plus. This is called what generation or formation of electrophile nitronium ion. Next, this nitronium attack on the benzene ring. See here, benzene ring. Yes, remove one bond and write plus minus, or here you write minus, here plus. And electrophile NO2 plus, yes, plus move towards negative, therefore there is a formation of a bond. So once it attack on the benzene ring, it forms carbocation. Now it is resonance stabilized. This one shift here plus, shift here plus. Then finally we get resonance hybrid. Resonance hybrid, it is called sigma complex. Sigma complex, and at the end this H plus removed by bisulfate ion, nucleophile bisulfate ion, and this bond shift here, and finally we get nitrobenzene. Conversion of benzene to nitrobenzene in nitration method. Therefore, step 1 here, generation of electrophile. Step 2, attack of electrophile on the benzene ring. And step 3, loss of proton. And that can produce a compound called nitrohydrocarbon or nitrobenzene. In this case, nitrobenzene. If it is phenol, nitrophenol is obtained. Now I will explain nitration of phenol. But this is in PUC 1. This is the first year syllabus. Okay. But these steps you have to follow even in the nitration of phenol. Okay. But mechanisms not there in the syllabus. Try to understand even mechanism also in this case. Now take phenol and is treated with dilute HNO3 at 298 K or at 25 degrees Celsius, means no heating, just for mixing HNO3 and what phenol. Then reaction occur and we get two nitrophenols, because OH group in phenol is said to be ortho-para director. If some groups present on the ring, then it is said to be what? Ortho-para director or meta-director. But in this case, it is said to be ortho-para director. Hence, NO2 plus can attack at ortho and para. On both sides, it can attack. Therefore, it can produce two products, OH, NO2 plus so like this you write equation in exam, nitration of phenol. Phenol into, see here, this is phenol and convert into, this is 1 to 2 nitrophenol or ortho nitrophenol. This one para nitrophenol, and para nitrophenol is a major product because of symmetrical nature. If groups are opposite side, it is para. Now it is more stable. Hence, if the stability is more, yield is also higher. Higher the stability, higher the yield. Therefore, para nitrophenol, let it be about 78%, and this one 20%, and 2% meta product. Okay, but major product is this one, para nitro. Write the IUPAC name of major product formed when phenol is reacting with dilute nitric acid, and there you have right answer, para nitrophenol or 4-nitrophenol is formed. 4-nitrophenol or para nitrophenol, that is a major product. But here we can observe main compounds are two, para and ortho, but very trace amount what meta, right? Next, see the mechanism how it react. But actually byproduct in the nitration S2O, because OH of this and H from this, H of phenol. This H replaced by NO2. Hence, this H substituted by NO2. Therefore, it is called what? Substitution reaction. But this is substituted by NO2 plus. And NO2 plus is called electrophile. Electrophile, then H substituted by electrophile. Hence, it is called electrophilic substitution reaction. It is called electrophilic substitution reaction. Next. Now I will tell you mechanism how orthonitrophenol and para-nitrophenol is formed, and further I will tell you how to separate these two compounds and which one can boil at higher temperature, lower temperature. That also we can study. Now see the mechanism how NO2 attacks on the benzene ring. First, write like this: OH. Same method as I told in case of benzene. Remove one bond and write plus minus. And NO2 plus from dilute HNO3. Dilute HNO3, see here, H, N, actually like this, O, H, N double bond O, O, H, N, O3. This is nitric acid. Next, HNO3 dilute, S2O, S2O. H can donate a proton, water can donate a proton. Means this O protonated, in place of water protonated. Like this, means in presence of dilute nitric acid, in place of water, HNO3 can form NO2 plus, but water can act as here or behave as proton donor. Then it can cause formation of a electrophile NO2 plus, and this NO2 plus attacks at negative, and this remains as positive. Then NO2. One minute. Consider electron donating group, this one, ortho negative, this one positive, and this carry H. If no OH group, then we can add here minus, here plus. But there is OH group and it is electron donating group. Then pi bond shift towards this one. Therefore, this is negative. Now, electrophile NO2 plus attacks here. Yes. Carbocation is formed. This is step 2. Step 1, generation of electrophile. Step 2, attack of electrophile on the benzene ring, especially at ortho and para. I am explaining here by taking ortho example. Next, further it undergo what? Resonance and positive charge delocalized on the benzene ring to form sigma complex, and finally it loses H plus to what? OH ion. After losing H plus, water become OH, and OH ion attract H plus to give S2O, and bond shift here. Therefore, we get finally what? Orthonitrophenol. Means mechanism, method is same. Only you have to indicate ortho position, para position. As you studied in first year, same type. But there you studied benzene, but here phenol. Then now we get two compounds by nitration of phenol, orthonitrophenol, para-nitrophenol. If two compounds are formed, but color is same, both are yellow colored compounds, but they differ by what? They differ by boiling points. Orthonitrophenol low boiling, para-nitrophenol higher boiling or high boiling point. Boiling point of orthonitrophenol is less than para-nitrophenol because there is intramolecular hydrogen bonding. In this case, there is intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Now, see here. this type. They are very near, hence they can form hydrogen bond, but it is called intramolecular. This is called intramolecular hydrogen bonding. The low boiling point or less boiling point of orthonitrophenol is due to, so answer is intramolecular hydrogen bonding, and is more volatile. It is said to be more volatile, means it is easily undergoing there is a evaporation, therefore it is said to be what? More volatile. More volatile and less boiling point due to intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Next, para-nitrophenol, it is said to be having a higher boiling point and less volatile. Higher boiling point, less volatile. Yes, reason again same. This H can form hydrogen bond. Para-nitrophenol, and this is said to be intermolecular hydrogen bond. Here is intermolecular hydrogen bonding, and here intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Means in case of para-nitro, but don't say hydrogen bonding occur like this. Not possible. Hydrogen bonding with another NO2 group of nitrophenol or para-nitrophenol. If between the two molecules hydrogen bonding exists, then it is called intermolecular. In the same molecule hydrogen bonding exists, then it is said to be intramolecular. So high boiling point and less volatile nature of para-nitrophenol is due to. So answer is intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Boiling point less, more volatile nature of O-nitrophenol is due to. So answer is what? Intramolecular hydrogen bonding. So these points also you have to remember in case of nitration. But equation very simple. Take a phenol compound and mix with derived HNO3 and we get two products, and write a structure, two structures. One is 2-nitrophenol or O-nitrophenol, and second 4-nitrophenol or P-nitrophenol. 4-nitrophenol or P-nitrophenol. So already I written that equation, conversion of phenol to O-nitrophenol and P-nitrophenol. At the same time we can explain by taking one more reaction, that is by using concentrated HNO3. If you take concentrated HNO3, see what happens. Same nitration method with concentrated HNO3. Second one. It is also important. Concentrated nitric acid. Okay. So when you add concentrated HNO3 to phenol, then this can give yellow solid that is called picric acid. There is a 2,4,6 trinitrophenol is formed. 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. See here. Phenol plus concentrated HNO3, it can form yes. You have to draw structure of phenol and structure of picric acid. Here plus don't write, here plus don't write. Not necessary. Important structure of reactant, structure of product. Organic compound structures you have to draw. Then byproduct in the nitration, you know, byproduct water. Okay, water. Reactants in nitration, aromatic compound plus HNO3. And in case of phenol, dilute HNO3 or concentrated HNO3 because phenol reactivity is high, hence we can use even dilute nitric acid. Okay. Next, if it is concentrated HNO3, yes, we are getting a yellow solid that is called picric acid. Compound name, this common name, picric acid, just like oleum compound. Fuming sulfuric acid is called oleum. And even cumene process you studied, CUMENE, cumene process. And you know, cumene is isopropyl benzene. So like that, here one common name for this compound, there is a picric acid, right? Picric acid. Now, see, we are using word acid. No doubt there is phenolic group, but it is acid. Means it is a pKa value very less. If pKa value very low, it is said to be strong. pKa value up to 5. Strong acids. Okay. Then now, IUPAC name, we can write IUPAC name of picric acid. See here. Position number 2, 4, 6. Position 1 is OH because OH and NO2 when you compare, priority rules, priority, higher priority given to OH group, then NO2. Therefore, start from here, carbon 1, there is a link with OH group. 2, 4, 6, trinitro, nitro, 3 times. 2, 4, 6, trinitro, and remaining part, phenol. Phenol is the IUPAC name. Phenol is IUPAC name. Therefore, it is called 2, 4, 6, trinitrophenol. Write the chemical name of picric acid. So answer 2, 4, 6, trinitrophenol. Give the IUPAC name of picric acid. Again write same 2, 4, 6, trinitrophenol. And name the product formed when phenol is subjected to nitration using concentrated nitric acid or nitrating mixture. Then you write a name 2,4-nitrophenol, or you can say picric acid. Okay. Next, if it is concentrated medium, so more NO2 plus produced, and the molecule is again more activated. That's why we are all the position 2, 4, 6 means ortho as well as para positions occupied by electrophiles. But you dilute HNO3 and there what NO2 plus produced are less. Okay. Next, see here, actually yield of the product, whatever you are getting the compound picric acid, yield is less, about 25 to 30%. You are not getting 80%, 85%. Then how to improve, how to increase the yield of the product? That is in industry, they are thinking how to increase. Yes. And why here yield is less? That also they have to think. Why yield is less? Because in the previous video I told oxidizing agents such as potassium permanganate, potassium dichromate, concentrated nitric acid, yes, they are called strong oxidizing agents. They can oxidize phenol into parabenzoquinone or paraphenoquinone. Therefore, some molecules they are changed into or converted into parabenzoquinone. Therefore, you don't get picric acid. A few molecules converted into what picric acid. And to avoid this, side reactions or side product formation. Yes. It should be carried out by using sulfonation method. Means first phenol is sulfonated, then nitrated. First it is sulfonated, then nitrated. That's why in notes we gave HNO3 using H2SO4. Both you have to add. First this one added, then heated with HNO3, then we get good yield of what? Picric acid. But first mix phenol and sulfuric acid, see what happens. Phenol and sulfuric acid. Phenol concentrated H2SO4. Sulfonation occur at orthopara. Therefore we get By sulfonation, SO3H group attacks on the ring. Yes, name of this phenol. This is called phenol. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. SO3H group. Phenol 2,4 disulfonic acid. Phenol 2,4 disulfonic acid. Position number 2, position number 4, because OH group, it is the derivative of phenol, correct? And phenol 2,4 disulfonic acid is obtained. But SO3H group, electron withdrawing group, COOH group, SO3H group, CO group, aldehyde ketone group, cyanide, NO2, all these are electron withdrawing group. If electron withdrawing groups are present on the ring and they decrease the electron density, hence reactivity of this compound decrease. Further, on heating with concentrated HNO3, this compound on heating, not direct phenol. Therefore, first phenol is sulfonated, then followed by nitration. On heating, we can get a good yield of what? Picric acid. Good yield of picric acid. Therefore, remember, to get a good yield of picric acid, yes, what you have to do? First, phenol should be sulfonated, then it is nitrated. First step, sulfonation. Second step, nitration of phenol. So that it can give higher yield of picric acid or 2,4,6-trinitrophenol. So this completes about nitration. Nitration of phenol I explained. There are two types. One is dilute HNO3, other is concentrated HNO3. Dilute HNO3 can give orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol, whereas concentrated HNO3 can give only one compound called 2,4,6-trinitrophenol or picric acid. Same type we will study in bromination. Bromination of phenol. Second one, bromination. Bromination of phenol. Here again same type, as reactivity of phenol is more. Again under different conditions, reaction conditions, yes, we are getting different phenolic compounds. First type with bromine in carbon disulfide or chloroform or CCl4. Are non-polar solvents, carbon disulfide, chloroform or carbon tetrachloride. When you dissolve bromine in carbon disulfide or CCl4, yes, solution is formed, but it is not polarized. Polarization is less. Bromine molecule, what? Non-polar. Dissolved in non-polar solvent. Solubility is there. It is easily soluble, but polarization less. But polarization is more if solvent used is what? Polar. Polar solvents, they cause polarity of molecules. Therefore, bromine and phenol, this is phenol. Phenol, when it is treated with bromine in carbon disulfide at 0 degree or 273 K. Bromine in carbon disulfide means solution is prepared and added to phenol and kept in fridge. Means temperature what you have to maintain about 0 degree. Means at lower temperature or in cold bath, yes, reaction occur. Means even at 0 degree reaction occur because bromine, halogen, very reactive. Phenol contain activating group, it is also reactive. That's why it need even low temperature. Even at low temperature, phenol can undergo bromination. And this undergoes what? partial polarization due to presence of double bond. The bromine end which is nearer to double bond, let it be this is a sigma bond pi bond, Br is nearer to pi bond, then this is end. This end is positive, this end is negative. Means other end is negative and one is a Br atom having a positive charge. This is called partial charge separation occur. In presence of what? In presence of non-polar solvents like carbon disulfide or CCl4. Then we can get two compounds, ortho-substituted and para-substituted. If it is non-polar solvent, if it is polar solvent like water, bromine bromine gets what activated, or we are getting their electrophile Br plus. And even phenol also more higher reactivity that compound, and even that also undergo activation by using water. There is in presence of water, bromine is polarized, and that easily attacks on the benzene ring of phenol to give wide PPT of 2,4,6 tribromophenol. If it is bromine water, but in this case, bromine in carbon disulfide, now we are getting two compounds, they are yes, this H atom of ring, this H atom of the ring replaced by bromine, H plus Br minus Br plus, this is Br minus, Br plus goes to ring, means HBr is removed, HBr is removed, but here what, plus goes to negative, means it is called electrophilic substitution, then we are getting ortho-bromophenol or 2-bromophenol. In place of O, we can write 2. Ortho-bromophenol is common name, 2-bromophenol is IUPAC name, right? Any one method. Plus one more compound, para-bromophenol. Ortho-bromophenol, para-bromophenol. Para-bromophenol is the major product. This one is minor product. Means about 80% para-bromo and 18 to 19% ortho-bromophenol. But this is the reaction if it is condition carbon disulfide or CCl3 or CCl4, temperature 0 degree. Only under these conditions we are getting ortho-bromophenol and para-bromophenol. But don't write 2,4,6 tribromo. But 2,4,6 tribromophenol is obtained when bromine dissolved in water. Okay. Second one, with bromine water, actually bromine insoluble in water. Yes, it can be dissolved in water by adding potassium bromide, KBr plus H2O. First you have to prepare KBr and H2O mixture solution, then add bromine, it is soluble. Then bromine water added to a flask which containing phenol. Let's see what happened in the phenol. There is in a container within 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, and here no heating. Here also no heating. Now phenol so we can write ring or double bond pi or pi bond, sigma bond like this, double, single, any one method we can follow, plus bromine, water. Phenol react with bromine water to produce wide PPT. Yes, this is the wide precipitate 2, 4, 6 tri bromophenol. 2, 4, 6 tri bromophenol is obtained. And for balancing 3 HBr, write 3. 6 Br, 3 Br plus 3 Br, 6 Br. 3H, 1H, 1H, 1H. 3H replaced by bromine. But is this one, water is said to be polar solvent, and it polarize what bromine molecule and producing Br plus ions. Means bromonium ions are produced and they can attack easily on the ring. Since OS group is activating group, reactivity is high, hence we are getting what good yield of 2,4,6 tribromophenol. So very important reaction. You have to practice well this one, and even bromine in carbon disulfide. Right equation when phenol react with bromine water. This equation you write. Then what happens when bromine water react with phenol? And write equation. Yes, first you have to define reaction like this. Phenol react with bromine water to form wide PPT of 2,4,6 tribromophenol. White PPT, color is white and is solid compound, it is solid. Even picric acid also solid. Okay. Yes, electrophile in this case also same, electrophile Br plus. Electrophile in nitration, NO2 plus. And here Br plus, bromonium ion is the electrophile in bromination. Then similarly, chlorination, chlorine water can be used, or even chlorine in carbon disulfide, but better you have to use bromine in carbon disulfide, bromine in water, etc. Next, two reactions over, they are called nitration and bromination. So this is in syllabus, but two reactions like sulfonation and Friedel-Crafts reaction. So even sulfonation, I told, in sulfonation SO3H attacks on the ring, there is ortho and para. Ortho, hydroxy, benzene sulfonic acid, and para hydroxy benzene sulfonic acid. Like this, two compounds are formed using phenol, that is subjected to sulfonation. But in case of Friedel-Crafts reaction, see what happened. Friedel-Crafts reaction. That is not there in the theory syllabus. See, if it is Friedel-Crafts reaction, what happened? Phenol treated with CS3Cl, N-hydrous AlCl3. In Friedel-Crafts reaction, the catalyst used is N-hydrous aluminum chloride, and it assists in the generation of electrophile. CS3 plus, and this can attack at ortho and para. Then we get two compounds, ortho substituted phenol and second para substituted phenol. Yes, in classification I told name of such compounds. If ring contain OHCS3, it is said to be cresol, and they are 1-2 position. Orthocresol, this one paracresol, but orthocresol also said to be 2-methyl phenol. Paracresol 4-methyl phenol, 2-methyl phenol 4-methylphenol. There is orthocresol, paracresol. These are obtained from phenol. But important, methyl road is used. If you take ethyl chloride, you don't get cresols. But this is alkylation of benzene using NH2ClCl3, therefore it is said to be Friedel-Crafts alkylation. If you take CS3COCl and the same NH2ClCl3, and here we get okay. Acetophenone derivative. We get acetophenone compound. There is a COCH3 group is acyl group. There is a 2 acid or 2 acyl phenol. But anyway, that H is replaced by acyl group. It is called Friedel-Crafts acylation. There is alkylation, acylation. Both are possible. Okay. Anyway, we are getting different products. In all the cases I told, ortho and para compounds are formed. Because OH group in phenol is said to be ortho-para director. That's why we are getting 2 compounds, ortho compound and para compound. And remaining part there is special reactions of phenol. Remaining part is special reactions of phenol. There is called Kolbe's reaction and Riemer-Tiemann reaction. Yes, that we can cover in the next video. Okay, thank you.